Welcome students, myself Mrs. Adhav UK, Department of Zoology from Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's R.B. Narayan Rao Boravke Mahavidyalaya, Shrierampur District, Ahmednagar. Today's our topic of discussion is from the same BSc 3rd paper 1st Animal Systematics and Diversity 5th and general topic from Protozoa, that is the nutrition. Nutrition means feeding process. As yesterday's lecture we have seen locomotion in protozoa. Protozoans, which are microscopic unicellular organisms, shows complex metabolic activities and complex internal structure, shows these 7 types of nutrition, or they feeds by these 7 type of modes of nutrition. First is the holozoic type of nutrition or zootrophic. Second, the pinocytosis. Third one, autotrophic, or it is also called as holophytic type of nutrition. Fourth is saprozoic nutrition. Fifth, parasitic. Sixth one, coprozoic nutrition, and last one, that is the mixotropic nutrition. We will see in detail first the holozoic type of nutrition, which is also called as zootropic type of nutrition, which is found in amoeba. Here the protozoan, certain protozoans feeds like other animals on solid food. They feeds upon solid food, and the process of feeding is like the other animals, as intake of food within the body is called as ingestion. Then second is the digestion. Third is absorption. And last is the egestion. Means the protozoans feed upon solid type of food, and the type of feeding involves these processes, like intake of food is called as ingestion of food or intake of food. Then the digestion or assimilation, absorption, and the egestion. These 4 processes, ingestion, digestion, absorption, and egestion of the food takes place within the body. How it takes food? These are the pseudopodia. These pseudopodia, when they come in the vicinity of the food, or when they come in contact with the food particles, these pseudopodia start engulfing that food. Means the intake of food, that is the egestion. This food is engulfed within the body, means the pseudopodia engulf the food. Then food start digestion. Digestion takes place inside the cytoplasm. Then there is the assimilation or absorption of food and supplied to all parts of the body within the cell, and then the undigested food particles or residue, which is in the form of residue, or the undigested food particles is excreted outside. This process is called as egestion. Means this holozoic type of nutrition or zootropic type of nutrition involves these 4 processes, and it is found in certain protozoan. Example of this is the amoeba. This is the first type of nutrition in protozoa. Second type of nutrition is called as pinocytosis type of nutrition or pinocytic type of nutrition. This pinocytotic type of nutrition is found in amoeba, proteus, certain flagellates, and certain ciliates. Here, throughout the outer surface of body or general surface of the body, when they come in contact with liquid type of food, Here the solid food, Holozoic. In the pinocytosis type, here there is the food is in the form of liquid type or food is in solution type. When they come in contact with their general body surface or outer surface, this outer surface or pseudopodia start to form the pinocytotic canals. These are the pinocytotic canals. These pinocytotic canals forms first in the initial state when there is found that the surrounding medium contains liquid type of food. Then in the pseudopodia or general body surface shows the formation or initiation of the pinocytotic canals. These canals then goes deep and deep inside the body towards the central part of the body. Then these pinocytotic canals absorb this liquid food from the surrounding medium, and from any part of the body the process starts where there is the food, which location the food is present to the general body surface or outer body surface. This food when comes, liquid food when comes inside the body, at that time here the pinocytotic canals forms the small vesicles or they forms the pinosomes. These are the vesicles or pinosomes. Later on these pinosomes or vesicles forms the food vacuoles. This type of liquid food, intake of liquid food by general body surface, which shown by amoeba, proteus, certain flagellates and ciliates. This type of intake of food is called as pinocytotic type of nutrition in protozoa. This is second type. Then third is called as autotrophic or holophytic type of nutrition. Autotrophic means like the plants. Phytic means plant. Plant shows photosynthesis. Plants having chlorophyll or pyrannoid types of organelles. These chlorophyll or pyrannoid types of organelles helps for photosynthesis and they carry out their process, that is they synthesize their own food. Like that plant, the animals, some examples of animals shows Euglena and Noctiluca. They shows the presence of chlorophyll and they undergo the process of photosynthesis like that of the plant. Means they synthesize their food from complex organic substances, then they manufacture simple inorganic substances, and thus they synthesize their own food when there is no food available in surrounding medium. At that time they form their food or they synthesize their food, hence they are called as auto means self produce, like that of the plant. Autotrophic nutrition or holophytic nutrition shown by Euglena and Noctiluca. This is the third type of nutrition found in protozoa. Then fourth type is saprozoic. Saprozoic means some examples from protozoa, Euglena, Gracillus, Paranema. They feeds upon the waste material or the debris material they take from the surrounding medium, the decaying organic food, by osmosis process or osmotrophy process. Osmosis, or it is also called as osmotrophy. This type of food, intake of food from waste material is called as saprozoic type of nutrition. Here these animals need or their requirement is ammonium salts, amino acids and some peptones, which they depend for this type of food, and hence this type of nutrition is called as saprozoic type of nutrition. Then fifth type is parasitic type of nutrition. Here parasitic shows two modes, that is food robbers. They shows food robbers and pathogenic. Example, Nyctoceras and Balantidium. They shows food robber type of nutrition. What is meant by food robber type of nutrition? Some parasites like Nyctoceras and Balantidium, they depends on the host. Host shows digested or undigested part of the food, and on that host digested or undigested part of food, these protozoan animals depend, and they request or they take from the host body this type of food, digested or undigested type of food, and on that food they feed or they nourishes their body. Then second is the pathogenic. Some protozoans feeds on the host body by damaging them or by giving harm to the host body, because they feed on living tissues of the host body and damage to them, hence they are called as pathogenic type of parasites. Means under parasitic type of protozoans there are two modes, that is food robbers and pathogenic type. Pathogenic gives harm or they may damage to the host body, feeding upon the living tissues of the host body, and here food robbers means they feed upon digested or semi-digested part of food from the host body. Then the coprozoic type of nutrition. Coprozoic means the fecal material of other organisms act as a food of certain protozoan animals. Example, chlamydophores and dimastigomoeba, they shows this type of coprozoic feeding, means they feed upon the fecal matter of other organisms, and hence it is called as coprozoic type of feeding or coprozoic type of nutrition found in these protozoans, chlamydophores and dimastigomoeba. Then the mixotrophic, last one is the mixotrophic type of nutrition. This mixotrophic means during unfavorable condition or when climate changes, at that time some protozoans feed upon more than one type of nutrition, or they obtain at a time more than different types of nutrition, that is saprozoic and autotrophic at a time, or zootrophic or autotrophic at a time, or different types, they may feed upon both the types of feeding, saprozoic or autotrophic, zootropic or autotrophic. And this mixotrophic type of nutrition is found in Euglena gracilis, Paranema, some flagellates. Thus, this mixotrophic nutrition may depend upon climate change, or they may be depend for more than one type of feeding or nutrition which is found in these protozoans. Thus, in protozoa there are 7 types of nutrition. We will stop here and see next topic in next video.